To add money with PayPal in Coinbase. Start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the Payment Methods page. Click on the Add Payment Method button and select PayPal from the list of available options. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page where you need to enter your PayPal email and password to authorize the connection between your PayPal and Coinbase accounts. After linking your accounts, you will be able to add funds to your Coinbase account using your PayPal balance. Simply select the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. Please note that adding money with PayPal in Coinbase may incur a small fee, and the availability of this feature may vary depending on your location. It is also important to ensure that your PayPal account is verified and has sufficient funds to complete the transaction. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to review the terms and conditions of both Coinbase and PayPal before proceeding with the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily add money to your Coinbase account using your PayPal account, allowing you to purchase cryptocurrencies and take advantage of the various features offered by Coinbase. Remember to always prioritize security and only use reputable payment methods to add funds to your account. In conclusion, adding money with PayPal in Coinbase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps, providing a convenient way to fund your cryptocurrency transactions.